What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ben Woman here, back with another video to talk to you about a wild January on tap. That's right, people of New Jersey. You could overall expect big-time East Coast snowstorms and big-time blizzards as we wrap up the end of January into the new year. Wow, we're talking about big-time blizzards that could shut down New York City, shut down the subway stations. But we'll keep a close eye on it because this looks like a wild January on tap with very cold temperatures. In fact, this is Ben the Weatherman. Back to you, coming live here in beautiful Lodi, New Jersey, and have a nice day.